Itong Michael Yang ngayon, konektado sa lahat. Pogo, drugs. Sa akin, sa komite ko, yung mga Chinese national pretending to be Filipinos, yung mga tao doon, konektado sa kanya. So who can answer this? I think nobody. Unless until we can catch up with Michael Yang or President Duterte himself.
We'll be inviting him to shed light on all the issues pertaining do sa issues ng public order and safety. Na-compromise ba yung ating national security?
Tapos,
I-invite nyo rin po ba si Senator Bato?
Yes, we are going to invite him. Definitely, we will. By the way, we're not inviting him because he's a senator, no? We're inviting him because he used to be the Director General in which libo-libo ang napatay. Kaya I just like to say this, no, ha? Sinasabi niya kasi na wala kaming karapatang mag-imbestiga. Meron kami karapatan mag-imbestiga. He should have read even the rules of the Senate on that. You see, we're investigating him. We would like to invite him, not because he is a sitting senator, but because he was, during the time of the war on drugs, the Director General of the Philippine National Police. And under his stewardship, libo-libo ang napatay.
We will invite the former president to enlighten us dun sa issue on the war on drugs, no? And maybe he can shed some information that will be of help, no, in the writing of the committee report, especially dun sa remedial legislation na plano naming maging produkto nito, no? And his expertise, his wisdom will be appreciated by the Quadcom.